Welcome once again. This is the part 3 part of this video on circle. Equation of a circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. Now look at what happened here. Take this as the center to this is circumference. Circumference is still x comma y, but the center now, let's use h comma k as our center, not 0 comma 0, since it's not at the origin. Now don't forget what I told you, that if you are calculating for distance, you see that distance square equal to change in x square plus change in y square. Now same thing is applicable. Our radius distance from the center of a circle to any part of the circumference is called the radius. Radius square is equal to change in x square plus change in y square. That will give you that x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square equal to our r square. So now what is your x2? That will be x minus h all square plus y minus k all square. This is the final value, these are the initial value. So equal to our r square. If you expand this, that will give you x square 2 times distances minus 2xh, yes, 2xh plus h square plus y square minus 2yk plus k square equal to r square. Take note of this. Now let me add it as an equation of circle. You have x square plus y square. After that, minus 2xh minus 2yk, yes, plus h square plus k square equal to r square. Now I'm going to still put it this way, that x square plus y square minus 2xh minus 2yk plus h square plus k square minus r square equal to 0. This is an equation of circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. But from here you can say, let h square plus k square minus r square be c. Any place you see this, add it as c. That is, they are in constant since they do not have x or y variable. This implies we have x square plus y square minus 2xk minus 2yk plus c equal to 0. This automatically becomes the equation that we are looking for. An equation of circle whose center coordinate is not at the origin. But please, before we solve question, don't forget, whenever you see c, it is your h square plus k square minus r square. This is another important formula that you need to take note of. Formula for finding the constant c, or finding any of the maybe either the radius. But if it is to be the radius, our radius square will be h square plus k square minus c, which implies that r is equal to square root of h square plus k square minus c. That is to show you how important that relative is. Thanks for watching. Follow for more as we solve questions in my subsequent video. Bye.